A view to the horizon across a calm grey sea, beneath an overcast sky as the light fades to a cool, dusky blue. We pull back to a park on the shoreline, where Effa, a 16-year-old black girl, stands speaking on her phone. She wears a bright pink cardigan with rainbow stripes, denim cut-off shorts and high-top trainers.
Hold a pizza or something. Just stop. Look at this, alright?
She holds the phone up to photograph the view.
Oh, Hydref. Isn't it a bit late though to be down there on your own?
No, I'm literally 16. It's not that late.
It's always later than you think, Bach.
Effa turns at the shout.
Anyway, I've got to go. I can see I'm coming now.
Do you want to talk to them about college?
I don't know, maybe.
You can't put it off much longer, love. It's time to make a choice.
Effa walks along the shoreline.
When you back?
Who says I'm coming back?
Ever Davis. Fine. Save on my bills then, won't I?
Okay, I gotta go. Carry tea.
All right, Bach. You take care now. Love you too.
By the water's edge, 3 people on bicycles pass, pulling a toddler wagon decked out with fairy lights.
Yeah! Where's the party?
She films them as they vanish into the distance. A group of friends approach her down the path. Rory, a tall black lad with beaded braids. Max, a shaven-headed white girl in a neon print top.
Okay, let's go before I start crying.
You been shaving again?
Yeah, I gotta look fresh for you, haven't I?
Rodri, a slender white boy in a day-glow yellow beanie, addresses her in sign language. Better for seeing you. We've missed you. You okay?
Someone who said that you would bring everything. You said you would bring everything.
Rodri takes her hand and leads her into the crowd.
Wow, look at that.
They stand admiring the view.
Right, let's go.
Let's go.
Whoa.
The gang stumble happily along the
Yes, it
coast.
is.
That's banging. Oh, ow.
Rory pulls Effa aside.
Something I need to say to you.
Okay.
Blame my ever.
Have you been learning?
Blame my ever. Where have you been?
What, you want it around you? Yeah.
It's just like ages.
It's only been like 2 months.
Yeah, tell me about it.
She catches up with the others.
How's the nan?
You know our nan is always up to something.
Oh, really?
Oh.
Is it?
Yeah, she's a bloody love of my life, your nan is.
Well, feelings mutual because she's actually obsessed with you.
I know, yeah.
But, you know, if you ever want to move to Merthyr, that'll be amazing.
Yeah, that's quite tempting. But no, actually, no. I'm going to pass, thank you to Merthyr for me. No.
Such a lightweight.
Max dances Effa along the concrete jetty. They embrace, looking out to sea. Rodri turns Max by the shoulders, signing something in motions fluid and feminine. Max watches, then turns back to Effa.
Totally wet.
Oi, I am not wet. You know what, do I get anything serious?
Oh yeah, keep it light, of course.
Oh yeah, keep it light. Just keep it light. You like it?
Wait, whatever.
Max and Rodri run down onto the sand together.
Our exams.
Effa leans on a railing, gazing out to sea.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, barod ti ddechrau coleg?
Effa doesn't react,
Falle ddim.
Try.
When have you got?
Na?
only stares at the horizon.
Effa! Effa!
I'm going in. I'm going in.
Effa strips off her cardigan.
You're going.
When she said she's going into the sea.
She strides down the jetty, a grin on her face.
Guys, look at this. Wait, Evan, for real? Seriously? For real? Guys, she's going in.
Alicia, in a bulky cardigan, follows her onto the sand.
Oh, your mother.
It's everyone. I'm not going in that. No.
Run.
She took her shoes off.
Come on now.
In the water.
You are mad.
Come on, you coming?
Go on.
Effa splashes ankle deep into the shallows, turns to Rodri and Max. She kicks up sprayer.
Emma. What are you doing?
Go on, Rory.
Nofio, obviously.
Close, Martin. Have a class
Oh, go on, Em, go on!
Serious?
So scared.
Now.
Nah, shut up. That's it.
Beth yw'r problem?
Dim problem. And we were going to like Boita and like hang out again.
Oh, screw it.
Rory
Ethan,
ventures
get
2
in
steps
there.
I
in.
can't swim! Can't you just chill? Well, we haven't seen you in how long?
Does she cael hwyl? That's not fun, is it? It's now or never, isn't it?
Effa's face grows serious as she turns and wades into the darkening sea. She looks back over her shoulder as it reaches her knees, then dives head-breaking for the surface. She rises, soaking, spreading her arms and triumphs. She turns away once more, walking dreamily into the sea. As she looks back at her friends, the lights above her flicker and her face fills with uncertainty. She looks down at her hands, rippling the water's surface. Lightning flashes above her, and a single amber light seems to glow in the depths, drifting toward her. She takes a breath and submerges herself. Bubbles rise as she gazes about, limbs floating in the blue. Sudden darkness. Lights flash again, colder, greenish. Etta looks up, puzzled. With a shock, she lets out her breath in a rush and goes limp, eyes closed. Abruptly, she comes to and strikes wildly for the surface. She breaks it, thrashing and gasping, sweeping the water from her eyes as she stands. She walks toward the shore, staring in shock at her hands, her arms. She looks around her, stumbles, tugs at the hem of her crop top, face contorting in panic as she waits for the shore. She falls, scrambles upright, collapses back onto her knees in the foam. She gapes at her hands reaching for the concrete steps. Her breath clouds in the air as she pulls herself up them. She struggles toward the pinkish lights where her friends continue to cavort oblivious. Max runs to her side. Max extends a hand to Effa, who takes it and is pulled back into the party. Around her, people dance in angular, body-popping bursts. Before softening into something more liquid and sensual, Effa cowers back in alarm. The revellers seem to move in slow motion. Effa bolts for the stairs, but one blocks her way. Her mouth widens in a silent scream and she claws at the air. Pushing her way through to Rory. Her friends stand in line and drop in unlikely unison. Effa is the only one who cannot follow the steps. She backs away. 2 girls dance wildly beside her. The dancers fall back into perfect sync. Effa edges away through the crowd. Her lips move, but her voice is drowned out. She stands bewildered.
Dan, what's she saying?
I shouldn't be here.
At last, her friends start to approach.
Kenny,
Cyn be Effa?
Effa, what are you on?
I shouldn't be.
Where are you going?
Effa turns and runs down the coastal path, vanishing into the twilight. Max, Alicia and Rodri stare after her, puzzled.